how to spend a Sunday afternoon. Ideally, we would go for a ride, but unfortunately, right now we cannot do that considering the current situation in the country. However, I can share my preview about a product that I've been using for almost all my rides. But before that, hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ashish, and today I'll be talking about a riding jacket that I've been using since almost a year now. So I guess it's a good time to share my review about this product right now. So this jacket which I'm using is Mototech Air Scrambler by Mototech company. It's an all-season jacket, which means I can use it in summer, winter and even in rains. I'll be sharing more details about this jacket in this video, so please make sure that you watch it till the end. This jacket looks amazingly stylish when you wear it, irrespective of your body frame. There are straps provided around the waist and the arms, wherein you can make the adjustments as per your body shape. There is an adjustment button provided near the forearm area as well, so you can make the adjustments accordingly and make sure that the jacket fits you perfect. Additionally, there are 3 pockets with zip, which you can use to store money, your mobile phone, your wallets and anything that you like actually. After all these adjustments, it does make you look smarter irrespective of your gender, because this jacket doesn't understand whether you're a male or a female. It just knows that you are a rider and its job is to make you look stylish, and it does it very well. So my verdict on styling on this jacket is 10 on 10. Talking about comfort, this jacket is very comfortable to wear, provided you order the correct size. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is an all-season jacket, so it comes with a winter and a rain liner. So this means that you can wear your jacket in heavy rains, as well as you can wear the winter liner and use it in cold conditions. The outer layer of your jacket comes with a mesh clothing, which means that it allows good flow of air within your jacket when you're riding in hot summer conditions. Talking about my personal experience, I would say I have used it without and with the liner as well in monsoon and even in winter. But with the liner, it does provide you a good amount of protection even in rains and even in winter, because in winter the winter liner keeps you warm, making you comfortable while you're riding even in a chilly weather. And in rains, it does keep you dry to a certain extent, because I did not get a chance to use it in a heavy rainfall. Now comes the most important question: how does it perform in a hot weather in India? Because most of the time we experience a warm and a hot weather in India. So I would say, as the jacket is made of a mesh clothing, as long as you are on the move riding, you don't feel the heat, because there's a constant flow of air within the jacket. But as soon as you stop, sweat starts rolling down your body, and there's nothing that you can do about this, because the climate in India is bound to be warm and hot. A personal tip to choose the correct size of your jacket. Now, if you're wearing a 42 size shirt, Purchase a 44 size jacket so that you get the best fit along with the liners. And my verdict on the comfort of this jacket would be 9 on 10. This jacket comes with a CE level 1 protector, which is upgradable to level 2 protector at an additional cost, and the replacement is simple as well. You just have to remove the CE level 1 protector and insert the CE level 2 protector. Now, more details about CE level 1 and level 2, I'll mention it in the description in a short brief, and in case if you want to know more about it, I'll make a separate video on this. Now, talking about safety, this jacket provides you adequate safety in terms of riding jacket that it should provide. You get protectors on your shoulder, on your elbow, and on your back. Also, you have a Mototech logo and branding on the back, which acts as a reflector during your night rides. Additionally, you have reflectors on the forearm area and also the branding on the front shoulder area, which is very useful during your night rides. Everything is good, except the fact that they could have added some protection in the front area, the chest and the abdomen area, which would provide you additional protection during your rides. Luckily, I did not fall on any of my rides, which did not allow me to test the safety features of the jacket. So my verdict on the safety of this jacket would be 9 on 10. The cost of this jacket is 6,500. Considering the looks, the good features and the good quality material used, the safety features, I would say it's worth every penny that you pay for this jacket. After all, a life and a body parts are irreplaceable. So investing on this jacket is like investing on your own safety. So my verdict on value for money on this jacket is 10 on 10. We had purchased 3 jackets from their online portal Outdoor Travel Gear. The link is mentioned in the description below and also on the Mototech website. And if you're planning to buy it by visiting a store, the address and details of the store are also mentioned on the Mototech website. You can check it as per your location. Talking about post-sales experience, I would like to share my own story. We had purchased the jacket online and we had some issues with the size of the jacket. So we contacted the team and they immediately replaced the jacket swiftly without any hassles, and they're doing a great job handling their customers. So my verdict on the post-sale service would be 10 on 10 because of the experience that I personally had with them. To tell you frankly, I was skeptical about buying this jacket earlier, but after buying it and using it for almost a year or more than that, I would say that it's worth every penny that I've spent on it. And along with me, my riding buddies Shailendra and Ashwin, they also would like to share their personal feedbacks along with you all.
Hi, my name is Shailendra. I'm using this jacket more than a year. It's very comfortable, although it's somewhat heavy due to the armor, but money which I spent on it, it's really worth.
Hello, my name is Ashwin. About the riding jacket from Mototech, I would say it's very stylish and good looking. It provides adequate protection during our rides. It's very comfortable and also provides great comfort irrespective of the season that we use it in. All in all, it's a complete value for money. Thank you.
So this is our feedback about the jacket Mototech Air Scrambler that we have been using for more than a year. I guess that is more than enough time for us to share our personal ownership review about this jacket. And that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please do hit the like button and share it with someone who is looking to purchase a riding jacket. And in case if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get notifications about our new video. So stay safe, keep smiling, and may the $1 million smile always be with you all. Until then, take care.